With Christmas just round the corner, I wanted to add some Christmassy cheer to our house, and that led me to making this DIY Christmas wreath. For this, you would need scissors, packaging cardboard, egg cartons, acrylic paints or watercolors, glue, pearls, and a piece of rope or twine. Begin with drawing a circle at least 10 cm in radius. I have made a 20 cm radius over here. Cut this out and keep it aside. Now, grab your egg box and separate it as shown in the image above. Now separate each egg holder to make the flowers. Once you've separated all the egg holders, cut it into 4, divide the sections into 2 pieces, and now we are going to shape the petals. I have chosen to make rounder petals, but you can also have longer pointed ones. Shape all petals in the same way, and the parts that you see that are being cut off from the side, these long elongated smaller pieces, save them because we would be using it later to make smaller petals inside the main flowers. Next, cut out the middle part of your wreath. Leave a border of at least 5 cm or more to put on your flowers. Squeeze out a generous quantity of your favorite colors for the flowers. I am using 2 shades of pink and a pretty lilac color. Dip a thick round brush in water, load it with a generous amount of paint and begin coloring your flowers. Repeat the same process for all your flowers. At this point, when your flowers are a little bit wet, you can also shape your petals. You can turn the tops, curling them outwards so that it looks like a more natural flowers. You can see the finished product of this later on in the video once my flowers are dried. Once the flowers are all painted, color the leaves in the same way. I'm using 2 shades of green to add some shading to my leaves. While the flowers and leaves are drying, I'm going to paint my cardboard piece in brown and gold, but again, you can paint it in any color which pleases you. Punch a hole at one end, which would later on allow you to hang your wreath. I will now prep my flowers by adding more petals inside and finishing them off with my sparkly golden thermocol balls, sticking it all together with my trusty hot glue gun. Of course, you can use glue as well if you're doing this project with kids. Instead of a golden thermocol ball, you could also use silver beads, white pearls, or any other pearls and beads or embellishments that you would like. Once you're done prepping all your flowers and leaves, we'll start arranging and sticking the flowers onto the wreath circle. Keep adding leaves as and when to fill up the space and your flowers. Make a combination of big and small flowers. You can also add some individual petals with just a small bead in between, like I have done in some places. You can do a complete circle, you can do a quarter circle, just the bottom. You can also do just a few 3 or 4 flowers in the bottom and then just spread or stick pearls all over the wreath. It's totally up to you how you envision it and how much work or how much paint you want to do. Once you're pleased with the result, take a piece of twine and loop it around the hole, and your wreath is ready to be hung. If you like this simple DIY video and do try it out, then please leave your pictures in the comments below and let me know if you would like to see some more DIY projects or which materials you would like me to upcycle. Wishing you all a very happy and Merry Christmas.